In sports and entertainment venues, the fan experience is just as important as the event itself. Whether it's a thrilling game, a live concert, or a major sporting event, LED digital signs are transforming how audiences engage with these experiences. From enhancing engagement to delivering critical information, digital signs have become an essential part of modern sports and entertainment venues. LED digital signs captivate audiences with vibrant, high-definition content. They allow venues to display live game action, instant replays, and game highlights, ensuring fans never miss a moment. For concerts and live performances, LED signs provide real-time updates, lineup changes, start times, and performance details, keeping attendees informed and engaged throughout the entire process. Advertising is a major revenue stream for venues. LED digital signs allow for rotating advertisements, ensuring sponsors and brands get the maximum exposure. Some venues even use interactive advertising, allowing fans to vote, participate in polls, and engage with sponsors in real time. Beyond engagement, LED digital signs play a vital role in the navigation and safety of a venue. They display wayfinding information, event schedules, and even emergency alerts when necessary. In larger venues, LED video walls create immersive experiences, bringing fans closer to the action, even from the farthest seats. LED digital signs also drive revenue through real-time promotions of merchandise and concession sales integrated with the point-of-sale systems of the venue. Beyond function, LED signs enhance the atmosphere, syncing with music, lights, and visuals to create unforgettable experiences. At Next LED, we provide cutting-edge digital signage solutions tailored for sports and entertainment venues. From fan engagement to revenue growth, our LED displays elevate the experience. Want to take your venue to the next level? Visit nextledsigns.com.